As of 2024, Samsung has near enough mastered the foldable phone, so much so that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, despite being very similar to its predecessor, achieved a 4.5-star score in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 review. So it's likely the next model in the series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, will also be a very good phone. First though, we have collected all the leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 so far, and you will find those below. This includes information on the possible release date and price, and as well as some rumored specs and features. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to ship with Android 14, One UI 6.0 at launch, but we expect the phone to soon receive the next big update, Android 15. And since we now live in the era of AI, you are all interested in the AI features that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will get. The phone will most likely come with the same Galaxy AI suite that the company introduced with the S24 series. As part of this AI system, Samsung provides users with several features including generative text in Samsung Keyboard, live translation for phone calls, live transcription, AI-powered photo and video editing, circle to search with Google Lens, transcript assist, notes assist, and more. Things probably won't stop here. In a blog post about the feature of hybrid AI system, On Jun Choi, EVP and Head of Mobile R&D Office Mobile Experience Business at Samsung Electronics, hinted at some new and exciting AI features designed specifically for the upcoming foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. The introduction of Galaxy AI on the Galaxy S24 series was only the start, On Jun Choi said. To deliver a completely new and unique AI experience, we will further optimize the Galaxy AI experience for the upcoming foldable devices.